What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. Your boys, Young Tsunami.
Your boy, Young Hurricane.
We back at it with another video.
Keep it locked.
Bonjour, y'all. So I know we ain't been uploading a lot, but we was in Switzerland. As you can see, this our souvenir, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Switzerland. We just came. We handled some business on the business
I'm
trip.
part Swiss.
Yeah, and I'm part Switzerland. So yeah, that's how we get. If y'all ain't know that, but yeah. So what we about to do today, Jake? Let me know.
Alright, so today we're gonna talk about the hair porosity.
Porosity.
Yes, sir. Alright.
If y'all know what hair porosity is, it's like your curl pattern, whether it's loose or tight, you know, little B2Bs. Because we get a lot of DMs on Instagram. They be like, "Yo, what kind of hair texture I got?"
Y'all getting the package.
I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but not a lot of people, know that type of stuff. So we finna do the hair porosity test.
So just know, right here I'm rocking that medium.
That's the medium. I'm the coarse. Y'all already know that though. Let's get into it. All right, I took the rag off. I gotta brush my hair to let it, get up. All right. After you do all that, take some tweezers. Now, what you gonna do with these? You might ask. Just pluck a little piece of hair. I don't know what's on my plug.
Let's get it from the ground.
I can't see.
There you go.
Dude, hold on. I gotta fix my crown.
Ugh.
Sorry, y'all. Oh man, see, this swirl ain't no joke, but it's okay. Y'all gonna get through it with me.
That's why I don't mess with
Good. Only real people with heart get swirls. Everybody else get BHAs, including Poppy Blasted. Can I deal with that later? All right, grab a piece of hair. Where do I grab it from?
Just your hair. Ouch!
Dude, where is it?
Open it. You're supposed to keep it closed.
I didn't see it. Hold on. Hey man, that stuff hurt for real. Get the mirror. Don't look at me.
Where's hair stuff?
All right, y'all gonna pluck a hair. You ain't looking that bad on the wolf.
All right, come on.
Ah!
Oh.
All right.
That's it.
Oh, I think I'm bald, Jacob. Jacob, look at that. It's a bald spot. Hold on.
Oh.
All right, so if you pluck yourself bald, ain't no biggie.
All right, come on. Step 2.
All right, step 2. I gotta take some different type of hair. We're gonna throw that down right there. That's my hair. Jacob, your turn.
It's gonna be easy. This ain't no coarse hair. You just grab a piece, pull it.
Hold on. Dude, I think I made myself bald.
You just pull one strand of hair.
It hurt.
Just like that.
No, you ain't do it. See, look at that. You see how long that is? Hold on. Keep it right there. Okay, ain't gotta focus. See how long that is? That's like he on 6 weeks of woofing.
10.
All right.
10.
10 weeks. You on 10 weeks?
Yes.
Wow. All right. So y'all see the difference? It's coarse hair, and then it's a medium hair. Step 3. Get the water. We came from Switzerland. Fill it up. Lukewarm water. Lukewarm. This is hot and cold. Makes warm. It's lukewarm. Fill that thing up. All right. Now after you do this, we gonna drop the medium first. Show them how that. Okay. Hold on. Let's watch the magic. So you just gonna that's some cloudy water. That's why I don't drink no tap water. You dropped it?
Yeah, I dropped it.
You dropped it. Now look, if the hair sinks, that means you got coarse hair. Wait, just drip it in the water. Did it sink?
No.
They both floated? Move yours.
Wait.
Oh, where's the hair at?
Are you supposed to wait?
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Oh.
Is it?
Yes, mine.
Alright. Now, like you said, if your hair floats, you got coarse hair, which is a tight curl pattern. If your hair sinks, you have loose curl pattern, which is most likely medium or straight hair. Why your thing ain't singing, dude? It's stuck. So Jacob, tell him what happened.
Test was a fail.
Test was a failure.
Come here. You tell me what that look like. Look at my hair and look at yours.
Now look. Now y'all can't tell me that this.
You just scratched my ear, dude. Oh God. Man.
You can't tell me that ain't medium hair. Now, if that ain't medium, I don't know what medium is. But the medium hair texture was supposed to sink.
This hair definitely ain't medium, so.
Yeah, I got the coarse hair. Mine's floating. And his floating as well. But anyway, test was a fail. I mean, it was really an experiment. It wasn't, you know, because.
So you know how experiments do hypothesis.
Yeah, you know.
That, fail.
We took the hypothesis that it was going to work. And it didn't work. So, test was a fail. Well, the experiment was bad, but it's all good. Go ahead and take a shot from Switzerland. That's that Grey Goose.
What's lost in your mind?
Ooh, yeah, that's good right there. That give you some chest hair, don't it? All right,
I don't know about that though. No.
Yeah, nah, we don't. Jerk free. So yeah, y'all already know the dealio. Like,
comment,
and subscribe, man. It's the Tsunami siblings.
We out, man.
Get I'm sorry.
That's a wrap.